Hey guys, Soccer from Socky Tech, and in today's video I want to talk about the newly unveiled Tesla truck known as the Cybertruck. And I do have to admit that I'm blown away. So Elon Musk just announced the Cybertruck in a Tesla event, and despite the fact that it's a unique futuristic design, what struck me was that it starts at an incredible $39,900, which is a single motor rear wheel drive version with a 0 to 60 second rating of less than 6.5 seconds. Now if you pay 10 grand more for $49,900, you are able to get a dual motor version, and that's going to be an all-wheel drive version which has a 0 to 60 rating of less than 4.5 seconds. And finally, if you really want to go nuts, you can get a tri-motor all-wheel drive version for $69,900 with a 0 to 60 rating of less than 2.9 seconds. That's how fast this can be for that price. So this is insane. How can a truck be so fast? By the way, for any trim that you buy, you can also pay an extra $7,000 to get full self-driving capability. Just add that to the price of the trim that you would end up buying. Meanwhile, the interior is extremely large and looks very much like a Tesla Model 3 with a single screen in the middle of the dash with no buttons or knobs anywhere else. That screen in the middle, of course, is a touch screen, and everything's going to be living inside there. All the controls, all the software, all the navigation is going to be right there. So I'm really digging this. It looks different and the price is right. And the highest trim version can actually tow 14,000 pounds. That's unheard of. Another thing that really interested me was the fact that it's got air suspension that is adjustable, so you can just raise the car for off-road driving and lower it for a planted highway driving. This is an insane product. Anyway, this was a quick update video for you guys who are interested in the Tesla cars. Honestly, at this price point, I would just buy the truck over the Tesla Model 3. What do you think? Would you buy a Tesla Model 3 or would you end up buying the truck? This thing is a tank. So drop the comments down below and let me know. And for now, guys,